Are Wall Street investors and Main Street investors souring on the idea of gold? We're going to take a look at that in today's video. Welcome back, guys, to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is the morning market wake-up call for Monday, February 22nd, 2021. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're starting today off at. Gold, for the time being, has pushed back over $1,800, currently at $1802.07. Silver's made a nice push, currently at $27.53. That gives us a ratio of 65.46. Platinum is down, currently at $1278.09, and palladium is steady at $24.1266. Rhodium is up $1,000, currently at $23,000. Base metals, we have seen big jumps across the board there. Copper is pushed over $4, currently at $4.05. Nickel is pushing towards $9, currently at $8.85. Aluminum is at 97 cents. Zinc up a penny at $1.30, and lead also up a penny at 97 cents. Barrels of crude oil are trying to recover. They had dropped down below $60 a barrel, currently at $59.86. We had a mixed day on Wall Street. The Dow this was on Friday. The Dow was up 1 point. It's going to be starting the week off at 31,494.32. The NASDAQ was up 9 points at 13,874.46. And the S&P 500 was down 7 points. It's going to be starting the week off at 39,0671. The U.S. dollar index is down, currently at 90.27. If you guys happen to trade in Bitcoin, well, we hit a new record yesterday, about 4:45 Eastern Standard Time. Yesterday afternoon, we saw Bitcoin hit an all-time high of 58,367. It is down significantly from there, though, currently at 53,071.81. And if you happen to exchange gold back today, those are up a penny, currently at $3.16. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're going to be talking about whether or not the bullish sentiment for gold is starting to wane. This comes to us from Niels Christensen over at Kitco News. This is the results of a survey that they ran last week titled, "Sentiment for Gold is Turning Bearish After Prices Test 8-Month Low." Sentiment in the gold market is turning negative after prices drop to an 8-month low, weighed down by rising bond yields, according to the latest Kitco News weekly gold survey. Wall Street analysts are decisively bearish on the precious metal in the near term, and retail investors have seen their bullish sentiment drop to a multi-year low. However, looking beyond the headline figures, while some analysts say that gold prices have room to move lower in the near term, as higher bond yields could force the Federal Reserve to step in and introduce yield curve control. A capital on bond yields would be bearish for the U.S. dollar, which some analysts say look overbought. Quote, "Gold's drop has been longer and deeper than I anticipated, but we are close to the capitalization stage where selling begets selling, and long-term holders decide to give up and stand aside," said Adrian Day, president and CEO of Adrian Day Asset Management. Day added that gold's selling pressure is overdone, but momentum doesn't always align with the fundamental look. The low is close, very close, but we may have another week or so of pain before gold turns around, he said. This week, 18 market professionals took part in the Wall Street survey. 13 analysts, or 71%, said that they are bearish on gold this week. Meanwhile, 3 analysts, or 17%, said they are bullish still. 2 analysts, or 11%, were neutral on precious metals. On the retail side, 1,292 respondents took part in an online Main Street poll. A total of 553 votes, or 43%, called for gold to rise, where 40% predicted it would fall. The remaining 223, or 17%, saw the market moving sideways. This article is a lot longer than I remember it being. The bearish sentiment for gold among retail investors hasn't been this low since early May 2019, a month before the precious metals embarked on its bull market. While gold has managed to bounce off of its June lows, the market is still looking to end the week with heavy losses. April gold futures traded Friday at $17.82 an ounce, down more than 2% from last week. This article does go on. We will stop it there. I do want to know where you guys think gold is going to go this week. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you think gold is going to drop further? Do you think it's going to remain around that $1,800 mark? Or do you think we're going to go back up? We've seen the bottom, and now we're going to start pumping back up again. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. All right, guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you, and if you happen to appreciate old IndyXP bullion, you know what you can do for me. Hit that thumbs up button for me so it helps me defeat the YouTube algorithms. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all the latest and greatest content is coming out, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, big bong, so you can stay notified of when new content comes out. Of course, we're going to pop the box over here on this side of the screen. It's going to be your gateway to the back catalog of videos. You can start clicking through those at your heart's content at the end of this one. Guys, I have been IndyXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.